How to edit music in WavePad. Click the Open button in the Home tab to load your music file. Once your file is loaded, you can begin editing the structure of your music. Click and drag across the waveform to select a section. Use Cut or Copy from the Home tab, or press Ctrl+X to cut and Ctrl+C to copy. Move the playback cursor to a new position and click Paste, or press Ctrl+V. To remove a section, go to the Edit tab, select the section in your music and click Delete, or press the Delete key. To trim the beginning or end of your track, use the Trim dropdown. To divide your music into separate clips, use the Split dropdown. You can also insert or remove silence using the Silence dropdown. If you want to change the speed of your music without affecting pitch, go to the Effects tab, click Speed, and select Speed Change. Next, improve the sound quality of your track. Go to the Levels tab and click Amplify to increase or decrease volume, then click Apply. Use the equalizer to adjust bass, mid, and treble, and click Apply when you're done. To remove background noise like hiss or hum, go to the Tools tab and click Noise Cleanup. You can also add creative effects to enhance your music. Go to the Effects tab and use the Fade dropdown to smooth the volume at the beginning or end of your track. You can also experiment with effects like echo and reverb. When you're finished editing, go back to the Home tab and click Save. Choose your file format, adjust any encoder settings if needed, then click Save again to export your edited music. For more WavePad tutorials, visit the address shown on your screen.